Hello, this is Onya Onya. Today I want to show you some s- train station and here you can see the inside of Seoul station. It is a Seoul train station, not a Seoul subway station. So inside there, you can see some cafeterias and some of restaurant food, such as convenient stores, and there's a platform entrance. And the actual east side of Seoul Station, you can see the airport railroad platform. To get to the JEJU island, we need to first reach to the Kimpo airport. So the railroad is the one of some way to get to the Kimpo airport. So you need to use the escalator. The escalator, there's 2 or 3 levels of escalator because the railroad subway is located underground, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors below. So we need to use the escalator 3 or 4 times. Yeah. Okay. Now again, another escalator. So airport subway place is underground, so we call it we need to go to the 1 floor more. All right, you will see there's a below 3 level, and just at end of the escalator you will see this kind of ticket vending machines. So if somebody who don't have any card, have to use this one. And this is the gate. Okay. Let's check. Let's see. Put the cards on here. Why it's not working? Okay. Now it's gone. So anywhere in subway station there's a convenience store. So it is not difficult to find the convenience store in any station of subway. And you will see another escalator. This is 4 times. All right. Now you can see some direction that this is way to Kimpo Airport. So Kimpo Airport is a terminal for JEJU. Okay, here we go. Another escalators. So this is very, very deep. Now you can see the Kimpo airport. So the letter is too small, and you will see there's a flight. This is the inside view of the subway. It's very big enough to accommodate many people. So there's a shelf So I didn't take any video. So we was there in Seoul and we are in Kimpo. It takes about 15, I guess. So let's get out. Alright. Ooh. Now we can see the mark to Kimpo Airport. Maybe it is not difficult to find the elevators or some escalator. The only thing that we have to see is this kind of direction mark. I guess we'd better to go to the other section. 여기로 가자, 여기로. Alright. Another escalator, but it's okay. Some places they are showing some of information charts that where is your location. I'm in here EP3 and we need to go up more, 2 floors more. And the Kimpo airport is located in this red mark here, and I'm living in that area. Anyway, let's go to the airport here. Okay, another escalator, so please don't give up. This is just the beginning. So just following the direction to the Kimpo airport. Okay? Good. Following the direction. Okay, we now reach to the below 1 level floor. But we have to see there. We have to take the domestic terminals, not international terminals. Okay. I can go through. You will see anywhere in subway there's a convenience store. So, oh, there's another one. And some waffle. And this is the last one, maybe. So we have to see. This left is domestic and right is international. So everywhere you will see the direction mark and some information. And there's some flight plan and another platform. So here we go. Inside, working through way, you can use the electrical cart. So for somebody needs some help. So it is free. So he's driving so fast, but it's okay. Now another escalator, but it's okay. So we every time we can see that this is a domestic terminal. Okay. Now we arrive the first floor of the terminal, departure terminal, and everywhere we can see the convenience store and cafes and some banks and escalator. It's a sunshine, bright day, and I think the weather will be so nice today. And probably the first thing we need to do is check in. So there's an automatic check machine and the platform. I can see there's a lot of people is waiting for the check in. So let me figure it out. Platform. Now this is a departure entrance, and on this floor you can see some cafes and restaurants. So before we depart, before we entering the entrance, you can see there's a quarantine check-in, and so it is not a problem. Check. Now it's time to board the plane, and my flight is JEJU Air, and there's many airplane company, but mostly the Korean Air and Asiana and JEJU. And JEJU Air is not having any lot of experience in international flight, but they are having some big portion of domestic traveling in Korea. Okay, so this is all about how to get down to Kimpo Airport from Seoul station. See you.